Welcome back to Nissan Sentra 2013. They say that they put the transmission of 2011 or 12 on this car here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. When we try to move the car, you see the car doesn't have a smooth movement. It's jump. They said that they changed the transmission and now the car running weird. But I believe after the diagnosis, this is maybe the cause of the car running bad. This is a swerve tumbler. Even though the RPM is good, I'm going to check the battery sensor. All this we're gonna check it and fix it. But let me go back to one thing. I want to go through. Okay, no. Let me go to transmission. You see, transmission, I have no DTCs, but if I have to do configuration after support, work support, control valve replacement, erase memory data, learn memory data, G sensor calibration. Okay, I gotta go here, and then I'm gonna do the programming. Let me see what it's gonna say, because I consider we turn the ignition on. The combustion engine is at standstill. Press the brake. Press the accelerator pedal between hub and quarter. Shift selected to R. Okay. Ignition. Hein?
Je regarde le P.
Ok.
P17 là, c'est le truc que tu m'as montré.
Ok. Vérifiez s'il y a du courant là-bas. Peut-être il n'y a pas le fusible. Okay, now ignition must be on. And then car is not running. Press the brake pedal. I did. And then press the gas pedal, not too much, not full, between half and quarter, just a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Shift to reverse. And I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do the relay. I'm gonna do the programming or relay. Start. Okay, what did it say? Ignition off. Ignition off. 10 seconds. You're gonna wait there. See? On. Ten seconds. Then off. 10 seconds. This is for the transmission. This is for 2030. Okay, on now. Now executing. Complete. Okay. Now I'm gonna do G calibration. Okay. Park the vehicle on level ground. Press start. Activate G sensor. Calibration. Complete. End. Ok. Qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Yeah. Contact ça où? Y'a rien? Okay, here we finish. But let me go back to my you see those codes. This is a car doesn't want to start boot. Okay, this is no. This Lamine. Qu'est-ce que tu as débranché? Which one? Tu débranches ça? Peut-être ça n'a pas ça. Parce que ça, c'est une autre pièce. Laissez-moi voir. Laissez-moi. Tu as branché, non? That piece is not. That piece there, maybe for something else. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is for the transmission, calibration, and set it up. I'm going to try to see if I can do something more. But let me see if now how the car move. Attention. Yeah. Now, maintenant c'est bon. Maintenant c'est bon. Le véhicule ne saute pas. Le véhicule, avant là, le véhicule se saute. Il n'y a pas de souple mouvement. Pouf, il juste se saute. Maintenant c'est bon. Avant là, ça ne bouge pas. Vous appuyez le.
C'est pas demande le programme.
J'ai déjà fini ça. Avant, c'est saute. Before it was jumping, it will not move. Like here, you see here now? Small movement.
C'est bon.
And now go front. D, you see small movement. Beautiful. This is good.